Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see how we can read the JSON data using JavaScript. So JSON data stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it is a lightweight format of storing and transporting data. So JSON is often used when data is sent from a server to web page. So we know that there is a request and response going on between client, that is browser, and the server machine. And this response is having the data format which is in JSON format, right? So this is a simple example of JSON format, right? So there are some rules about the JSON data. So for example, if you see, this is the curly braces contains the object. So employees is a object which is containing an array. So basically, if you see here, this is basically an array which contains the multiple data, right? So that data contains the key value pairs. For example, first name is a key and John is a value, and those pair of key and values are separated by comma. Similarly, there is second value and there is a third value in that array, right? So this is the simple format of one of the JSON data. And how we can convert the JSON data in readable format. So basically browser converts that JSON data and it represent that data to the user in understandable format. So in that process, so basically what happens, JavaScript converts that JSON data, JSON format data in JavaScript object, and we will see how practically we can do that, right? So this is basically a simple syntax. Similarly, this is the first example. Similarly, JSON data can also contain some sub objects in it. For example, this is the second example of JSON format. So here there are some key and values pair, right? So name is John, his age is 30, and it contains one array as well. So address is a array here which contains some three values here, right? So this is the zeroth index, this is first index, and this is second index, right? And it also contains some key value pair. For example, home is having some value, again zip code is again a key name, and 123456 is the value of that specific key, right? Similarly, it can contain some object as well. So for example, this object, it contains another object, that is cars object, and cars object is containing the following data, that is key value pair again. So cars object is having car 1, that is Ford, car 2, that is BMW. Similarly, this is the another format. So this is how basically the JSON data format is represented. Right now we will see practically how we can convert the JSON data format in JavaScript object, and from that JavaScript object, how we can access the specific value or specific data from the JSON format, right? So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to create one file here. So let's create one new file and let's name it as JSON demo.js, right? So now I'm going to simply create one string, let my text, and I'm going to store the JSON format data in the specific string here, right? So I have a couple of examples. So we will see the first example. I'm just copy pasting this. So this is the simple basic JSON data format, right? So it is the students is a object name, and that student object contains some array. So basically, if you see the square bracket here, that means it contains the array, and that array is having three elements. So this is the zeroth index position, this is the first index position data, and this is second index position data, right? And this data contains some key values. For example, name is a key and David is a value, and key and value is separated by a colon, and couple of key and value pairs are separated by comma. If you see here, so data gets separated by comma here. So email is another key and this is the another value of that email. So I'm just going to store this complete JSON format in one simple string. So we have created my text, and I'm just going to store that JSON format, right? So whenever we use the multi-line, if you see here, there are multiple lines, right? So in that case, we have to use single quotes and plus symbol. So I'm just going to use single quotes and plus symbol to format the data correctly. Single quotes and plus. Again here single quote and plus symbol. Single quote right? So we have stored our JSON format data in my text variable. In JavaScript, basically it provides one object, that is JSON object, and this object has one method, that is JSON.parse method. So by using JSON.parse method, we can convert this JSON format into a JavaScript object, and by using that JavaScript object we can extract the data whichever we want. So basically first we have to convert this JSON format into JavaScript object. So we have to use the JSON.parse method, and we have to pass our my text, that is the JSON format which we have stored in that, right? And we have to now store this value in one object, right? So I will just simply create one let's say let my obj is equal to, right? So my obj contains, so basically this JSON format data is converted into JavaScript object, and that is stored in my object variable. Right, now by using my object variable we can simply extract the value from this JSON format data. Right, now let's see how we can do that. So for example, I'm just going to simply use, let's say, console.log. Now I want to access, let's say, the name. So first name, that is David, right? So this is an array. If you see, this is an array, students array, and that array contains some three position here. So this is the 0, this is the first position, and this is the second position. So if I want to extract the David, so how we can do that? So syntax is, first of all, let's say my obj, then we have to use dot my obj dot, what is the object name here? So this is the students, right? So simply put students, and then we have to use square bracket, and what is the index position of the data which we want to extract? So basically students is an object that contains one array, and in that array on the 0th index position this data is present, right? So I will simply put 0, and then which key value I want to extract. So I want to take the value of the name, right? So I will just simply put dot name. So it will extract me. So basically it will give me the value of John. So it should give me the value of, sorry, it will give me the value of David, right? So that is present at 0th index, right? So this array index starts from 0. Right, now let's save this file and let's run the file. So I'm just going to simply open the terminal and let's run the file. So command is node filename dot js, right? So it extracted and printed the value of David here, right? Simply we have extracted the value of David. Now let's say if I want to extract the value of email of that first index, right? So how we can do that? So I will simply put, let's say, in the same sentence I will put plus, let's give some space, and again use plus, and here I will just print my obj dot students, and what is the index position? So again it's present in 0th index position. So 0 dot, what is the key name here? We want to extract the email, right? So I will just simply put dot email. Let's save this file. Now let's again run the file, right? So it extracted the first name, that is David, that is name value, and it also extracted the email value, right? So this is how we can extract the data from the 0th index position. Now let's simply say I want to extract the values from the last one, that is third position, but that is actually the second position. Index position is second here, third element index position is second here. So what I will put, I will simply change, instead of 0 I can simply put, let's say 2, right? Let's save this file and let's run the file, right? So this time, right, so this time if you see the name here, my obj dot students, second position and name value, so it extracted the Bob here, right? And here we have not changed, we have kept 0 only, that's why it is extracting the email ID of David here, that is present here, right? So I will just simply change this to, let's say, 2. Let's save the file and let's run again the file, right? This time it is extracted the correct data, right? So if you see here, this is the second index position name and the email. So this is how we can extract the data from JSON object which contains the JSON format data. So we have to use JSON object dot parse method to convert the JSON format data in JavaScript object, and that we have stored in myobj, and by using that JavaScript object we can extract the data whichever we want, right? So this is the way. Now this is the simple example. Now let's see one more example. Sometimes JSON data format can also contain sub objects as well. So how we can extract data in that case? So I will just create one more file. Let's say JSON demo 2.js, right? So now I will going to use second example here also. So basically we have seen the first example. In the second example, if you see, this object contains some key value pairs, as well as it is containing one array as well. So address is an array element, right? So it contains, this address array contains three more data elements in it. Similarly, there is one more key value pair, that is cars. So cars is basically an object inside another object. So this is the main object, and inside that there is a cars object, and that object is also containing some values here, right? If you see, this is not an array, this is basically another object nested inside the object. So this is the key value pairs that cars object is containing. Now let's see how we can extract the data from such kind of JSON formats, right? I'm just going to copy this data. So again we are going to create one more string, let's say my text is equal to, right? So this is the JSON format we have pasted, and since we are using the multiple lines, we have to use single quotes and plus symbol. I'm just going to use single quote and plus symbol. Single quote and plus, here also let's use single quote plus single quote and single quote. So we have stored the JSON format as a string in my text variable. Now we have to convert this JSON format into a JavaScript object. So for that we can use JSON dot parse method, JSON dot parse, and we have to pass the my text which is containing the JSON format data, and we have to store this data in one object. Let's say let my obj is equal to JSON dot parse and my text, right? So we have stored the JSON format data in our my obj variable, right? Now how we can extract, let's see, I want to extract simply the name, right? So I want to extract the name. So how we can extract the name? For that I have to simply use console.log. What is the object here? My obj dot, I want to extract name, right? So I can simply write name. Let's save this file and let's run the file. So command is node json demo 2.js, right? So it extracted the name John, right? So this is the simple value which we have extracted. Similarly, if I want to extract the value of address, so basically address is a key which contains one array. If you see, this is the array, basically it is enclosed in square bracket. So this is an array which contains the three index positions. So first index position contains this data elements or the values, this is present at second, first, and this is present as second position, right? So let's say I want to extract the value of office, right? Value of office which is inside the array of address, right? So how we can extract that? For that I will simply use console.log. Let's say what is the my obj dot address, right? So we have to use address is a key, address is an object basically which contains an array. So my obj dot address, and what is the index position on which office is present? So office is present in the first index position, right? So this is the zeroth index position and this is the first index position. So I will simply use address 1 dot and which key we want to extract. So basically if we want to extract office, right, so we want to extract office, so I will simply put dot office. So it will extract and print the value of the office, right, so that is 191 Street Washington. Let's save this file and let's run the file, right. So if you see here, it extracted the value of the office here, right. Similarly, if I want to extract the zip code as well, so what I can do, I can simply use plus, let's give some space, again use plus and simply my obj dot address index position is first, right, so zip code is also present at first index position only in that address array, right. So what is the after using one, we have to simply use dot and we have to provide the key value, that is zip code. Let's save the file and let's run the file, right. So it extracted the zip code as well. If you see here 999, it extracted the zip code as well, correct. So this is how we can extract the value from array address, right. Similarly, this JSON data format also contain one sub object inside it. So cars is another object which is nested inside the main object. And how we can extract, suppose I want to extract the value of BMW, so how we can extract that, now let's see that as well. So I will simply print console dot log. So main object is my obj dot, so basically we have stored the JSON data format in our my obj object. So my obj dot cars, so we are here now, right, my obj dot cars and we want to extract the value of BMW. So what is the key name for BMW, that is car2, right. So cars, so we can again use dot car2, right. So it will should extract the value of BMW, right. So basically my obj dot cars and cars, inside the cars and then again we have the car2 as a key value. Now let's save this file and let's run the file, right. So it extracted the BMW value here, right. Similarly, if I want to extract, let's say, value of car3, so how we can do that, so we can simply use console.log my obj inside cars and instead of car2, what is the key name for Fiat, that is car3, right. So if I will simply change car3, let's save the file, so it should extract me the value of Fiat, right. Now let's save the file and let's run the file, right. So it extracted the value of Fiat as well. So this is how we can extract the different values or the whatever values we want to display to the user from the JavaScript object which contains the JavaScript JSON data format, right. So process is basically the JSON data which we receive from the server, that is get converted into JavaScript object first, and by using that JavaScript object we can extract the data from the specific object or specific position present at any specific position, right. So this is how we can work with the JavaScript object. So thank you for watching this tutorial. We will see some other topics in our next JavaScript tutorial. So thanks everyone.